I'm Dr. Rajlakshmi Naik again here with you for 21 days, 21 challenges for your betterment. Today is day 8 and you may wonder why background music is there. Today's challenge is musical. Listen to the music at least for 15 minutes a day. Whichever music you like, whichever songs that you like, listen it at least for 15 minutes per day. Music make you happy. It enhances the performance. It lowers the stress and improves the overall health. It helps you to sleep better. It reduces depression and pain. Surprisingly, music helps you to eat less. It elevates the mood. It strengthens the learning and memory. It increases intelligence, raises IQ and academic performances, and it keeps the brain healthy at all the ages. For further challenges, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And for some more surprises, have a look at description box. See you tomorrow.